everyone, welcome to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for this session is recording the slideshow. As we have seen that after preparing the presentation, we can run a slideshow for the presentation. We can start the slideshow either from the beginning or from the current slide. Now we do have one more option where we can record these slideshows. It means we can record the narration or we can adjust the timings etc. for the slideshows. So we are going to discuss about all these options in this session. So let's proceed and see that how we can record these slideshows. Now you can see here in this tab slideshow that we have option available record the slideshow. You have two options available here, that start the recording from the beginning or start the recording from the current slide. So let's say we use this option, start the recording from the beginning. It asks you select what you want to record before you begin recording. The first option is slide and animation of animation timing, and the second is the narration and the laser pointer. We have selected both these options and now I am clicking on start recording. Now on the left hand side, I have got the option recording and it's showing me the timer here. Now I start my slideshow. Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Recording the slideshow. That's it. Now I have pressed the escape key and this is the window I have got under the slideshow. It's showing me certain timings here below the slides. These three slides actually we have run. Now let's see what's gonna happen if I click on the slideshow from the beginning. Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Recording the slideshow. That's it. Okay, so in this way we have found that the narration that has been captured with all these slides. It's showing you the timing also, like for the 16 seconds, then for 7 seconds and for 10 seconds again. These speakers means you can see the audio icon on the right hand side bottom of the screen. It means that we have added the narration on these slides also. We have customized only first three slides. Slide number 1 is having the narration as well as the animation and everything we have recorded for 1, 2 and 3 slides. After that there is no narration and there is no narration added to these. So now whenever you are going to run the slideshow, let's say from the beginning, it's going to start on its own. Alright, now we have created this particular set. In this way, you can run the slideshow to the viewers and you can you can present a already narrated slideshow to the viewers. There is no need that you need to demonstrate or narrate the story once again. So this is one of the options where you can record the slideshow and then you can run the slideshow in front of the viewers. Then second option is like suppose you want to remove that, you want to demonstrate everything as per you. So you can clear that as well. Clear the timing on the current slide, or clear the narration on the current slide, or clear narration on all these slides. We can select these two options, that clear timing on all these slides. Once I'm going to select this option, you can see that the timing would be removed from the bottom of the slides. So let me click on this. Yeah, the timing has been removed now, these timings. Now the second option would be, you can see that the audio icon, you can see the audio icon on the bottom. Now if I'm going to select clear narration on all these slides, it's going to remove this icon from the bottom of all these slides. That has gone now. So we have removed all the animation, or means the recorded timing for the slide, and we have removed the narration. Now if we are going to select the slideshow from the beginning, then there would be no narration with it. We need to start the slideshow once again. It's showing you the Edupedia. Then we can click on the second, Learning PowerPoint, and this way you can proceed with your slideshow. Now you can see that all these slides are coming on a single page. So how do we get back to the normal view? From the bottom here, click on the normal view. So that was it. We have learned in this session that how do we record the slideshow and how do we present that show in the front of the viewers. This particular option is going to save your time. If you're going to narrate the story once, you can run the slideshow in front of the viewers as many times you want, and it's going to save your energy as well. So that was it for this session. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.